Hello and welcome. In today's video I would like to show you our approach to solving a significant problem. We wanted to create a high voltage energy storage system made from high quality cells that would be inexpensive and easy to assemble. As this system can be built within 15 to 20 minutes, it's just everything you can see on the screen right now. We wanted also to be compatible with most inverters available on the market and safe to use. As you may already know, it's very challenging to tick all the boxes and build system like this, so we would like to show you what's our approach. Okay, the first and the most important point is safety. As you can see, the external cabinet is IP44 rated. It has a seal, 2 keys, so it can be locked to prevent access. It's high voltage system. It's not the highest we work with because it's only 180 volts, but still it's an outdoor cabinet with a seal, so it can be placed outside the living or working area. It can also be screwed to a wall or attached to profiles under a photovoltaic table. If you live in a country with a cold climate like we do here in Europe, this cabinet would need to be insulated. I will show you how I did it inside my photovoltaic shed at my own home. This is of course the test setup. I was curious how to insulate this cabinet and how it would perform. So inside you can see there's thermal insulation made of foam board, around 5 centimeters thick, sealed with tape, with modules placed inside, and everything may be locked with a key. This system would be perfect if the cabinets weren't extremely expensive. As you can see, this system consists of 9 Taycan modules and our LinkBMS system, so the cabinet is the major cost of the installation. We were thinking and we concluded that it would be much better to create this from something mass-produced. Refrigerators are mass-produced and are like the cabinet. They have metal casing, insulation, sometimes even thicker than 5 centimeters, and sealing, often out of silicone or rubber gaskets. In this case, there is also a key, and this is how it looks. The batteries fit perfectly. We have managed to put 12 instead of 9 modules inside this fridge, but it was a no-brainer because the fridge was so cheap and we cut a lot of cost on the enclosure, so we thought that putting 3 additional modules would be appropriate for this build. But of course, despite of cost, it meets the same requirements. It's insulated, sealed, can be placed outside, and has a temperature control system to prevent overheating of the cells if the insulation would be too high. I will show you briefly how we assembled this cabinet with a short video. It wasn't the easiest thing to do, but thinking through how to insert the modules, since the last row was the trickiest, it required us to insert the whole row of modules at once. So we use cable ties in order to do that and put it inside securely. It required 2 people to do it because it was pretty heavy, but this is the final result, connected to power bank via 5 volt DC, and finally connected into high voltage and powered directly from our LinkBMS.eu. That video was kinda short, but I think that it will be very helpful for anyone looking for a high voltage energy storage system. Thank you again for your attention and see you in the next videos on this channel. Bye!